All right, mixed market here in the U.S., though the Dow and the S&P are pushing to record highs. Let's take a look at stocks over in Europe as we see a rally across the board there. Latoya Harding joins us now for the latest on European markets. Latoya.
Well, stocks in Europe are pushing higher today following Asia's lead after China revealed record first quarter growth of 18.3%. And that was led by strong industrial output. And the FTSE 100 finally pushed above the 7,000 point level for the first time since February 2020 today. And the FTSE 250 also on a roll, having risen by 26% in value over the last 6 months as vaccine programs continue, stimulus packages roll out, and business confidence surveys hit record highs. Now, the FTSE 100 has been a bit of a laggard compared to international markets on both sides of the Atlantic for us, having, of course, a bigger exposure to commodities and banking than Wall Street and Frankfurt. But it's now 40% higher than what it was at the worst of last year's self. We've also seen today the DAX and the CAC both pushing higher on the day today. Also, banks being amongst one of the top performing sectors today across Europe, as well as oil producers and miners joining the rally, as well as travel stocks too. And this all comes as new data from the ONS today showed that around 1 in 480 people in private households in England had COVID-19 in the week to April 10th, down from 1 in 340 last week. And that was the lowest figures that we had since the week to September 19th, 2020, when the estimate stood at 1 in 500. So that's very positive news in terms of getting those infection rates down across the country. And it follows some 32 million people now having received the first dose of a COVID vaccine in the UK, with around 8.5 receiving their second also in the country. And of course, the vaccine rollout program as well is gathering pace in Europe this week amid a third wave of infections. So again, pretty positive news there, and that's again boosting stocks in Europe today.
All right, Yahoo Finance's Latoya Harding with the latest on everything happening in European markets.